Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me from the dates of the 20th through the 26th, rounding out the end of May, if you can believe that one. I am so excited to be sharing this with you today. So if you are new here, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the fun. And if you're returning, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, today I'm going to be using the happy quotes to start, and I might throw in some socialite and I might throw in some happy illustrations, but I want to see how much I can use by just using one sticker book. I really like to try to use one sticker book when I'm doing Plan With Me's because for several reasons. One, it's simplicity, and two, I just really feel like you all need to know that you don't have to have 5 billion sticker books to produce a great spread. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, my question of the day as we start is who all has applied to be on the Happy Planner Squad? So that is coming up this week, and I guess probably applications have already closed. But who has applied? I want to know. Let me know in the comments if you've applied. I believe in you. I think you can do it. Let me know. Sometimes all you need is a little splash of color. I don't know why that took me so long to read that. Sometimes all Megan needs is like to be able to read things because I can't do that. Every week needs a fun day. Let's root for each other and watch each other grow. Man, these are just some good stickers. Oh, happy day. I decided this week that I'm feeling colorful. It's going to be a really great week. I've already determined that I'm going to have an exceptional week, and I cannot wait to get started on it. So, let's do this. Let's do this. Now, Megan likes, get busy girl. Ooh. Megan likes colors, but I also like lots of stickers. And so, yeah. And that's just the way it is. So, as you are looking at this and you're like, man, this is super colorful. Yep, it is. I can hear my children. All right, let's see. Just a girl who decided to go for it. I like this sticker. So in this sticker book, hello weekend, you are my favorite. Let's see here. In this sticker book, there is, and we're going to come upon it. What I love about it is there is a lot of, these are very happy quotes, is what it is. And I might even need, and I don't know that I will get it, but I might even need colorful boxes because I don't think this has like the things that I need on that part of it. But it is definitely happy. So it's got these, which I love these. Keep life simple. And I love to just stick these down in like the bottom. I don't think this one is intended to have, if you can see it, there's like a little, although it's crooked compared to the other one. There's like a little tiny yellow line, which I don't think was supposed to be there, but it's cute. And I just love sticking these places because they're just fun. They're just fun, and they're just fun. This is the life. I don't know, and I just feel like sometimes you just need to have some inspirational things in your life because life can be so sad. It's not. Okay, here's what I want to say. This is my little rant for the day. It's not really a rant, but it's my wisdom, if you will, that I want to share with you all. If you are feeling like the world is not as happy of a place as it really is, it's because of the stuff you're consuming. And it's very hard because there are a lot of negative people in the world. There's also a lot of positive people in the world, but the negative will stick to you like glue way more than the positive. So just make sure you are being cautious with who you're surrounding yourself with and the people and the words that they're saying, because it will impact you on so many levels that you're not even realizing at first. I hear a child. He's sneaking food. Brayden! Okay. Now, yes, but I was thinking about that today because there was some kind of news article and it was so depressing, but it was so not even like a narrative that is true. And it just was like, why are we even talking about this? It's not even a thing. And it's just because we live in a world where drama gets more attention. And so that's what people do. They want you to feel sad and dramaful because they'll get attention for it. So don't feed into it and don't let it affect your happiness because it's not worth it. Okay. Now, put on your positive pants. Isn't that what I was just talking about, guys? Taco Tuesday. And the reason why I say that isn't because I think that there's not a time that you should be real and have like and there's not things that aren't negative in life. I mean, there's things that are very negative in life, but it doesn't mean that you have to dwell on those things, and it also is not the majority of life. And I think that's where there's a misconception with people, with news, with I mean, the other day there was a cat that was stuck, and people went to like extreme lengths to get this cat unstuck, which was just so sweet. But you don't see that publicized, do you? No, no one tells you about those things. I wonder why. It's just because it's not exciting enough. That wouldn't get enough views. Like, that's how I feel. It's just, oh, you know what? I'm going to put this on here because it's my sissy's birthday. And although she's not here, I do want to just remember to call her. I'm not going to put it in my day, but I am going to put it right there because I do need to call her. And oh, well, look at that. I cut it off. I don't want to. It's like so pretty. I'm going to have to go up on the other one, I think. I think that's what's going to have to happen. So here's what I would also just like to, does that look stupid? You know, I don't think I care. Here's what I would also just like to share with you all. Look at this little kitty cat. That's cute. And I've said this before, but when you're watching people's videos, and I want you to know this about mine too, it looks better on camera. Like, you know when you feel bad about yourself when you see yourself on camera and you're like, man, that's a horrible angle. It doesn't look like that for this type of stuff. This looks way better on camera than sometimes it does in person. And so you might think that you are not as talented as what it looks like, but a lot of times the video makes it look nicer than what it. Just in case you are feeling, I don't know that you would even feel discouraged. I just have never been that concerned, like never. I've never been that concerned about, like I like sticker placement obviously is important and I do my best to make sure they're straight and stuff. But if it gets crooked or, you know, like what are you going to do? Like just enjoy it. It's a week and then you make a new one. So don't get yourself too concerned about the, you know, straightness or if your colors don't match one week or like it's not that serious. I promise it will be okay. And I mean, you might not be able to handle it. I have been that way sometimes. There was one time that I did something and I was like, this is so ugly, and I just didn't even like it. I find that with black and white spreads. I don't love them as much. Like I've done them and I like them in theory, but I guess they just don't impact me as much, so I tend not to focus on the week as much when I do it, and so I found that they're not the best way for me to do things. Now, I do pre-sticker before my week starts, and then I fill in my week as I need. I've recently heard, I know that Erin Condren she stickers after she puts in her stuff, and I think that that is a great way to do things. I don't think that that's a wrong way. I definitely think that that is a different way of doing it, and I'm going to show you all what I would do because I've done it that way before a couple times, but I think that it can be, it's kind of neat the way you do it, but you just have to kind of prepare yourself for that to be the case. So, all right, there's that. That's cute. All right, so what I have used thus far is the happy illustrations and the happy quotes. Now, the only other thing I need on every spread I do, which I know that there's one in here, it's up at the top, and I like the funfetti. The cupcakes are cute too. I might just add a couple of them for some flair. I might put one on the balloon. Well, no, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to write in the balloon. These are cute though. Gosh, how can you not love those? But you know what could potentially be missing is a coffee cup. How cute is that? I just don't know where to put it because I want it somewhere where it's like super noticeable because I love it. I think I'm going to put it right there. All right, look at that, guys. That is so cute. I feel like that has turned out to be so amazing. I love it. Do you love it? Do you love it as much as me? Because I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think about this spread. I want to know. I love the colors. I love the way it turned out. It's very happy. I couldn't be happier with how happy it looks. All right, everyone. Well, I am happy to say that I am done. I did not use Socialite at all. Sorry, Socialite. Another day for you. But I did this completely and entirely with the happy quotes and the happy illustrations, and it was just happy. It's happy all over. And those were the 2 sticker books I used, primarily happy quotes, but I did put a little bit of happy illustrations in there also, and I think it turned out phenomenally. So you can be simplistic. You don't have to have 5 billion sticker books to do what you want to do with the spread. I think this looks phenomenal, and I only used 2. So just keep that in mind as you plan your week and don't be concerned about not having enough. All right, everyone, make sure again, if you love this type of content and you love Megan and you want to see more of her, you subscribe. And also, if you'd like to see more Plan With Me's, you can click the link on the screen, although the dates might be outdated. The designs are the same. So, all right, everyone, have a great rest of your day.